Right, so we're working on a new note on this page. This is number 30, Chop Builder. We have a new note, which is the G. G is in fourth position, same as the D, and requires to be tucked in a little bit more. If before you start the song, lock in on your D, tuck your lips in, and work your way up to the G that way. The last four measures of the song are using that example, except for the very last measure, which is flat. But the last two, you're using lip slurs, just lip, no tongue. Right, here we go. Chop Builder, lots of slurs, really smooth, flowing sound. And in the book it says, when slurring, move your slide quickly. When playing, move your slide quickly. Camptown Races. This shows you with missing notes in here. You need to figure them out by listening and knowing what the song sounds like. Wasn't quite right. Okay, so I tried an E flat. Let's try a D. That works better. Of course, I'm giving away the answers. Also, the fourth measure of this song has a repeat sign. Kind of looks like a division sign for math. It means repeat the previous measure. Play that measure the same way. See that a lot of times in music, especially if you happen to be playing like a musical, you'll see that all the time. This one's for real. All right, number 2, skill builder. Slurs, tongue, your new note G with a slur from an E flat, C to E flat slur. So E flat to G is against the grain. D to F, and C flat to E flat are with the grain. So when you go against the grain, if you don't use your tongue, or you do, you still go for that nice smooth sound. Here we go, number 32, skill builder.